Bella thing from New York, her heart is too sore. She feel all alone, but I've been there before. She just like it when you say less and do more.
Guys, it's your girl Nia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a hair review. I thought it was so cool how the hair came. It came in this box. And it's funny because they asked me for my picture. I sent them this exact picture. You guys look at the corner of the screen. This is the picture I sent to them. And they drew it with like glitter. And I think that is so cool. But this wig is by Divasis. This is a virgin hair premium wig. Thank you guys for this boxing. I think it's so dope and I will keep this forever. So you guys, let's open up this box and let's see what this hair came with. So it came with a bunch of goodies. This is their card. This girl is so pretty. Divasis. It tells you how to take care of the hair, etc. And this is the back of the card. And this also came with a edge brush, which you could never have enough of these. And it also came with this pouch of goodies. Let's open it up and see. It came with this headband. I love this color. It also came with another headband. Ooh, and another headband. Nice. And I love this little pouch. Like, you could use this for anything, for your makeup. Like, this will definitely come in handy. 2 wig caps, a dark brown color and a medium brown color, and you could never have too many wig caps either. And it also came with a edge band to hold your edges down. And this is the hair. It came in plastic. This is a headband wig. I love the color. This is the inside of the wig cap. It comes with multiple combs inside. Of course, the band to keep your headband wig nice and secure. I love this. This wig ain't going nowhere. And let's just try this baby. Is the water wave headband wig, 180% density. This is Peruvian human hair and I got it in 16 inches. And this is the water wave unit and I'm absolutely loving her. Like, I feel like Bomb Beyonce, and it is so soft. I wish y'all could like feel it through the screen. Like, look at the curl patterns on baby. Like, one thing I could say I had a problem with this unit is when I was putting it on is it's too many combs, it's too many bands, but that's nothing because you could just go in with a scissor and cut the wig construction into your liking. I'm going to be wearing this wig a lot, but I'm also, when I decide to put this back on, after I'm done showing y'all, I will be cutting some bands and stuff off. But this is really lightweight. Like, you don't even feel it on your head or anything like that. and I want to see how it looks when it's wet. So I got my spray mist, and I'm just gonna spray some of that on this hair. I'm gonna put a little bit of the olive oil wrap set lotion in. This is just to get rid of the frizziness and to define my curls. This is how the unit looks wet, and when I tell you, y'all, I am loving this hair. Like, look at it. Look at it. Look at the color. This is so nice. Now, I do say it has minimum shedding, but this is the shedding that I got. But that's not a big deal because all of my curly units that I got, it sheds, especially when you're putting product in. And this is half a wig, so I don't expect it not to shed. And it's 180 density, so that's okay. It's nice and full. So I will get a lot of wears out of this before it turns bald. And for it to be a 16-inch, it is kind of long, but then again, I am short, like I'm 5'3". So it looks longer than 16 inches, but I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect for like back to school. This is definitely giving fall hair because it's not too bright, you know, like, you know, the summer we go like full blonde. This is just right. This is the right color. All of the details on this wig will be in my description box down below. And I also like the way this headband looked too. Like, it just, first of all, it goes with my shirt perfectly. You can't go wrong with a white shirt. I know it's after Labor Day, but who is gonna check me? Nobody, period. So I'm gonna try some styles with this wig. This is my infamous half up, half down. I love it. This is the bun, half up, half down. These wigs are so convenient. This wig is so convenient, and I love the fact that they're getting more versatile with headband wigs. Like, I didn't think I had so many different styles of headband wigs, and I absolutely love them. These are my favorite wigs ever. You guys tell me down below in the comments, what do you think about this wig? Is it yay or nay? Is it up or down? Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, stay bomb.